Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to give you an edge in the markets. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, to see what we can find. The crypto market has been a bit of a wild ride lately. Bitcoin, in particular, has seen some big swings up and down. We've got to analyze the news and the charts to see if we can understand what's driving these movements. Let's start by taking a look at the news surrounding Bitcoin. According to Google search results, the most recent news surrounding Bitcoin is that it briefly fell under $60,000, but has since regained the $60,000 mark. There's also talk about a structurally ordered downtrend in the crypto market that has persisted for the past 5 months. Some analysts are predicting a retest of $54,000 before a trend reversal. Meanwhile, there's increasing concern about the energy demands of Bitcoin miners in Texas. These news events all paint a picture of a market in flux, with both bullish and bearish sentiment present. Now, let's switch to the one-day chart to see if the chart data reflects what we're seeing in the news. On the one-day chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been consolidating between $55,000 and $70,000 since April. This consolidation pattern suggests that the market is still trying to decide which direction to go in. The recent drop below $60,000 could be seen as a sign of weakness, but the fact that it quickly recovered suggests that there is still a lot of bullish sentiment out there. The $60,000 level seems to be a strong support level for Bitcoin, as it has held up relatively well even during recent price dips. The $70,000 level, however, seems to be a strong resistance level. If Bitcoin can break through $70,000, it could signal a bullish breakout and a move towards higher prices. Let's zoom in on the last few candles on the one-day chart. We can see that the last candle is red, which shows that Bitcoin closed lower for the day. However, the candle is relatively small and the volume is low. This suggests that the market is still indecisive and that there isn't a strong bearish force driving prices lower. It's important to note that the one-day chart doesn't give us a clear picture of what's happening in the shorter term. Let's switch to the one-hour chart to get a better sense of the short-term price action. On the one-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been in a downtrend for the past few hours. However, the downtrend is not very steep, and there are signs of a potential reversal. The price is currently testing the $60,000 support level, which could provide a good opportunity for a bounce back. If Bitcoin can break through $61,000, it could signal a short-term bullish reversal. However, if Bitcoin fails to break through $61,000, it could continue its downtrend and test lower support levels. Let's zoom in on the last few candles on the one-hour chart. We can see that the last candle is green, which shows that Bitcoin closed higher for the hour. The candle is relatively large and the volume is moderate. This suggests that there is some buying pressure pushing Bitcoin higher. This could be a sign of a short-term bullish reversal. However, it's too early to say for sure whether this is the start of a sustained rally. To get an even clearer picture of the short-term price action, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows that Bitcoin has been consolidating for the past few hours, but there is a slight upward trend. The price is currently testing the $61,000 level, which could provide a good opportunity for a short-term bullish breakout. If Bitcoin can break through $61,000, it could signal a move towards higher prices in the short term. However, if Bitcoin fails to break through $61,000, it could continue its consolidation pattern or even move lower. It's important to watch the volume closely on the 15-minute chart, as it can give us a better idea of the strength of the buying or selling pressure. If the volume is low, it suggests that the market is still indecisive, and a breakout or breakdown could be short-lived. However, if the volume is high, it suggests that there's a strong force behind the price movement, and a breakout or breakdown could be more sustainable. The 15-minute chart can be very helpful for day traders who are looking for short-term opportunities. It's important to note that all three charts provide a different perspective on Bitcoin's price action. The one-day chart gives us a long-term view, while the one-hour chart gives us a short-term view. The 15-minute chart provides an even shorter-term view. Overall, the news and chart data suggest that Bitcoin is in a period of uncertainty. The market is still trying to decide which direction to go in, and there is a lot of volatility. The $60,000 level is a strong support level, but Bitcoin could test lower support levels if it fails to break through $61,000. Traders should be cautious and avoid taking large positions until there is a clear breakout or breakdown. It's important to watch the volume closely on all three charts, as it can give us a better idea of the strength of the buying or selling pressure. If the volume is high, it suggests that there's a strong force behind the price movement, and a breakout or breakdown could be more sustainable. It's also important to keep an eye on the news and other macro factors, as they can have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. In summary, Bitcoin is facing some headwinds, but it is also showing signs of potential strength. Traders should be cautious and avoid taking large positions until there is a clear breakout or breakdown. Keep an eye on the volume, the news, and other macro factors to help you make informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analysis of the markets. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful.